Hi all, this is the demonstration of plant watering system. So I'm using Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a relay, this is 4-channel relay, and one water pump. And this is the sensor. I'll show you here. The idea is this thing will be there in the plant tub. If it is dry, if it sends dry, this is the soil moisture sensor. If it is out of the water, it will be dry, and then this pump should start. So from the programming side of it, I can see the value that I'm getting is 526 and my program is 500. So it should start, and it is started. See, it's getting all the data. If I put it back, yep, then it should stop. And it stopped, and I'm getting 361. If I can plot it, let me plot it. This is how I'm getting. This is where it started, and when after the watering, soil sensors sensed it's less than 500, which is wet, so the motor stopped. And this is how it will look exactly when I will go to India. So this is the water pump. It will take water from here and put into the tree, and the plant has the sensor here, so it can understand when to put water. Yep, and it is plugged in to the cable. That's it.